What if one belief could shift your whole financial life? Let's start this week with a declaration that aligns your faith and your finances. Say it with me. I am a wise steward of wealth. I manage money with clarity, purpose, and peace. Every decision you make this week, budgeting, spending, saving, investing, let it flow from this belief. Declare it, then do it. Want more? Download my free financial reset workbook in my bio, and let's build, grow, and thrive together this week.